Welcome. Hello, traders. I want to show you our fantastic code scanner. So, look here. This is absolutely beautiful. Let's go ahead and go through the time frame. I'm going to be trading gold. That's going to be XAU USD, and our broker is on Think Markets. And so, we're here, and now we're going to drop down to the 1 minute chart. On the 1 minute chart, you want to make sure that you have the full code scanner. In order to have the code scanner, you have to make sure that you have pending orders, ECC 11, and Chef's four finger slam. That is the full code scanner. One band, one sound. This is what we're going to be training on for the entire month of February and March. So we want to make sure that you have it. Now, let's talk about how it works. Well, as you can clearly see, the market is dropping for a sale. Our sale entry was here at 5020.5. You could have got in there and the market moved 10 points. Those of you who know how to trade know that is a beautiful, beautiful drop that we are getting right now. So, again, you're going to have your pending orders, you're going to have an alert. There will be an entry price as well. If you don't see the alert or the entry price, then you're going to take the sale entry or the buy entry. You're going to go in the direction of the market. If the band that Dr. Kathy has placed on here for you is red, then that means the market is selling. If it's blue, then that means the market is buying and it will be going up. Oh my gosh. It is so simple to use the scanner. So, you want to make sure that you're waiting for the alert from the scanner. Use your proper risk management as to how many points you're going to go for. So that's the 1 minute chart. This is the 5 minute chart. Again, here on the 5 minute chart, you can see the different colors on the band. So make sure you pay attention to your band and make sure you pay attention to your entries. You have sell entries down here. You have buy entries up here. Okay. Respect your band because it's definitely going to tell you the direction the market is going in. Something else that we have that is really cool is that if you are able to scrunch your screen in, as you can see here, you have an entry here and you have an entry here. Now, sometimes you may get into the market and the entry may have already happened. That's where your pending orders are going to help you. So the entry price for the buy is up here. And then as you go up, you'll see a stop loss and you should also see TPs. Okay. So I'm sorry, this is the entry for the sale. Forgive me. The entry for the sale is up here. And then here are your sale entries, additional sale entry. Let's see, like right now, we missed 50.44. So the next good entry is going to be at 49.99. Okay. And then the take profit is here. And there is a stop loss all the way up here. Can't beat that. All right. And let's go to the 30-minute chart. Now, I prefer always the 30-minute chart because our numbers are going to be more accurate. The 30-minute chart is calling for a buy. As you can see, that band is blue. So your buy entry is already up here. It has not activated. Okay. And so right now, the momentum is going in the direction of the sale. That's why you have a take profit here. And there is probably another take profit up here. There you go. Okay. And if we go in the opposite direction, there will be your stop loss. Listen, the entry price for the sale was down here. There were two that you could take. And even if you missed it, you simply have to wait for the next one, which is here. Okay. You can wait and then take the next sale entry, and your take profit is here. After that trade clears here, we want to wait for the take profit up there. We know that it has to break this area. So this is our new full code scanner. Again, you got your pending orders and you will have them for the buy and for the sale. And you can actually take them for the buy and for the sale, but it's always safe to follow the momentum of the market. This trade was called all the way back here, and your market pushed and pulled, and then it took off. That's your break one, your break two, and then your break three. Your market took off for you. Okay, so be patient. You're going to need to practice using the scanner so that you understand entry. Okay, so go over it one more time, Dr. LA. I hear you saying, no problem. So I come to the market. You're either trading on the 1, the 5, the 15, the 30, or the 1 hour chart. It's your choice. Okay, we know that if we're going to get in the trade, we want to get in for the most points. And so on the 1 hour chart, what we're going to do is we are going to look for entry price. Okay. And so it's saying the entry price is here. But if the entry price is here and I've missed the move, it's already did it. I've got to take the second entry, which is going to be here on the pending order at 50.46. So entry price was here, but I missed it. So now I got to wait for the market to come back up to 50.46. And then my take profit one is here. My suggested take profit two is here. Okay. And then if I'm looking for a stop loss, my stop loss is here. So again, you really want to make sure that you're using all of the three scanners in one makes up the full code scanner. Let's check out Four Finger Slam. The Four Finger Slam is telling you you're getting ready to get a run for the buy. You're getting ready to get a run for the buy. So it's letting you know that those fingers are aligning and that the market is looking to push up on the buy. But Dr. LA, on the lower time frame, it was selling. Yes, that's pullback. We're not worried about that on the lower time frame. Okay. You decide what time frame you are going to trade on. So if you're trading on the 1 minute chart, well, the momentum is moving in the direction of a sale. The entry price was all the way up here. The market has already been there. So what do? I have to wait for the next sale entry on the pending order. And then I'm going to pay attention to my four finger slam because it's going to let me know there's that S for the sale, there's that S for the short. And so I know the market is continuing to move down. So on the 1 minute chart, I can look for my next entry. You will only get sale entry and buy entry on the pending order scanner. You will only get the S, and when it's telling you it's going to run on the four finger slam scanner, you will only get take profit on the ECC11 scanner. Okay. So, again, this is our full code scanner, and that's why it's beneficial to everyone. Okay. But somebody's saying, but what if I just take the entry? Well, what if you miss the entry? Then you're wondering, where do I get in next? Well, that's what the pending order scanner is going to help you with. I love our scanners. They are so powerful. 30-minute chart. Let's go and look for the entry. Again, if the take profits are underneath, then that means that the market may be moving down. But there's the entry, so it's moving up. Okay, so here's our entry price here. If we miss it, we got to wait for another one, which is going to be all the way up here. But because it started to sell, you may get another buy entry sooner. Take profit one, take profit two. We will be training you on this all week because we want you to win. So please make sure that you attend the basic sessions and make sure you attend the sessions with the lead educators. I'm super excited about what we're doing here at the Code. Make sure you get your videos because we're going to be putting out a lot of videos on the platforms for you to review and learn the strategies. Happy trading. Happy Sunday. We wish you the best.